been a popular choice of investment for mankind since a long time ago. Many believe it's a hedge against inflation, and investors turn to gold as a safe haven when the market is unstable. Well, whether you're considering to invest in gold or you are already invested in it, you must find out about this company, Quantum Metal, and how it can help you to maximize your gold investment returns. You may not have heard of Quantum Metal, but you have probably heard of Perth Mint, the gold refinery that is owned by the Australian government. It produces gold bars and bullions for retail or commercial clients, and it is also in charge of producing the coins for Australian dollars. Today, it is the only gold refinery in the world whose product's purity and weight is guaranteed by a government. Yes, that means if you happen to find Perth Mint's gold bar that you bought is not as pure, you can take it to the Australian government and they guarantee that you can get an exchange, making it one of the most reputable and trusted gold refineries in the world. This makes their gold bars and bullion one of the most sought after products for gold investors. Talking about gold, you know what would make this moment golden? Help us by hitting the like button, because that would really help us with YouTube's algorithm. Thank you. You got a heart of gold. Have you ever bought gold bars or bullion from Affin Bank, Bank Muamalat or Alliance Bank? If yes, it's most likely that is from Quantum Metal Sdn Bhd. Since their establishment in 2012, Quantum Metal has been one of the largest premium gold distributor in Malaysia. Yes, they are big, but you probably may not have heard of them previously because their core business was actually in B2B. They provide premium gold products to Malaysian government bodies, financial institutions, banks, and other individual distributors. Now, to encourage the adoption of gold investment among retail investors, recently Quantum Metal started their online distribution service for retail investors and an e-wallet as well. If today you would like to invest in some reliable and trusted Perth Mint gold, it's just a few clicks away. If you're wondering why you should open up an account with Quantum Metal and what makes them different from other distributors, you are in the right place. For those of you who have been following my channel for a while now, you will know that I'm mostly a stock investor. Gold investment is just a small portion of my total investment portfolio. In fact, I only started investing in gold this year when the stock market crashed, and I saw the need to diversify my investment into different assets. So why did I choose Quantum Metal? Firstly, it's really convenient. I can just open an account online and everything can be done from the comfort of my home at any time. Secondly, I have the option to store my gold with them or even withdraw it as a physical gold. I personally prefer to store the gold with them as it's much safer in my own opinion. I wouldn't want to keep a gold bar at home. I think it's much too dangerous. Thirdly, and most importantly, I am buying Perth Mint gold, not some Honolulu gold. It is especially important for me because when it comes to gold investment, it's very important to get it from an internationally trusted and reputable brand. Having Perth Mint gold means that I can take that gold anywhere in the world and I can sell it at an international standard rate. But if it is a local brand like many international buyers will not accept it, and even if they do, it will be way below market rate. And that is why it's important to me that the gold I'm investing in is from a reputable brand like Perth Mint. I can carry it with me and sell it at a good price anywhere in the world. Another reason that got me really interested to open an account with them is their gold advancement account and the gold leverage account. Something that I've not seen in any of their competitors at all. So far, that's from what I know. With the gold advancement account, you can transform 10 ringgit into 17 ringgit. How? When you save 10 ringgit worth of gold with them, you can advance 7 ringgit to spend instantly. Yes, that means you have 10 ringgit worth of gold saved up while you have another 7 ringgit that you can spend. You simply need to serve a 5% advancement fee at the end of the year. I think it makes it really convenient when you need money and you have to sell your gold for cash. Then this gold advancement account comes in at the right time. You won't need to sell off your gold and miss out on the appreciation of the gold value. On the other hand, you can also turn 1,000 ringgit into 10,000 worth of gold. How? With the gold leverage account. When you save 1,000, you will own 10,000 worth of gold. This means when the gold price increased by 10%, now Based on 10,000 worth of gold that you own, your return will be 1,000 ringgit. That is 10 times the return based on your capital of 1,000 ringgit. Finally, if you just want to have a normal gold saving account, you can start saving with as low as 10 ringgit. It is one of the most affordable ways of gold investing we can find in the market today. The combination of reputable gold brands, certified Sharia compliant by ISRA, low entry barrier, and the creative account option does make it an interesting offer to the public. If you would like to find out more, you can register an account with Quantum Metal through our referral link below. There will be no payment needed. However, if you want to start saving up, you can start with as low as 10 ringgit. So, what you waiting for? Go register yourself an account. And if you want to find out more about investing, you can watch this video.